Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand delete command in SQL. So the concept of update has already been explained in our previous video. The delete command is same as that of update, but with a little change in the syntax. So before understanding the syntax, let's try to understand the concept of the definition of the delete. So what is the delete command is used for? The delete statement is used to delete existing record in a table. So if you want to delete a record from the table, the delete command is used. So the syntax is delete from. Delete from is the keyword, and after that table name, from the table which record from which we want to delete a record. So the table name. Next is where clause, keyword, and after that condition. Same as that of update, the use of where is very important to understand, very important to provide in the command, because if you didn't provided where condition, the entire values in the table will get deleted. If this where condition is not provided, the entire values in the table will get deleted, and once you commit that work means so it is not possible for you to get all the data. So be careful while using the delete command. Please check once in very clearly about the where condition, if the where condition is provided in the proper way or not. Please be careful. Okay, so delete from students, our table which we are discussing, where salary is equal to 100, means how the SQL will work. So I'm again and again explaining how the SQL will work, because that brings you an idea of how the SQL works. So it is very important, because it brings in order to solve problems in examinations, this visualization is very much helpful. So it starts from the first row and it will check whether the salary is equal to 100 or not. Yes, if it is yes, so this row will get deleted, and similarly it will go to the next row. So after that it will go to the next row it will check whether it is 100. No, it is not 100, so this will remain same. 300, no, it is not equal to 100, it is also not equal to 100, and it is also not equal to 100. So all these conditions are not equal to 100, so these four will remain and only this row will get deleted. So this entire row will get deleted. Let's try to solve this by using our SQL compiler, and what we will do is we will do it with where condition and without where condition, and see what it is going to produce the result. Okay, see here one row deleted, and next is select star from students. So the first row has been deleted where the salary is equal to 100. Only 4 rows are there, and similarly we will try to delete it by using without the where condition. Let's check what happens. So the entire data will get deleted. 4 rows got deleted. See here, very important to understand. Select star from students. No rows selected, so all the data has been deleted. So be careful while using the delete and update. You have to mention the where conditions. If without where conditions, if you have committed the work, means the details will get updated or deleted. This is all about delete command. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.